Ready to finally bring your online vision to life? We'll guide you through crafting a complete website from scratch in Adobe Dreamweaver first. Launch Dreamweaver and select Create New, then choose HTML to start a blank web page. Next, organize your project by creating a new folder where you'll save all your website files. This keeps things organized and accessible as we designed. Now switch to Design View to begin visually building your page layout. Populate the body of your page with content. Use the Properties panel to modify elements with your basic HTML. For more precise control, switch to Code View here. You can directly edit HTML and CSS. Remember, you can manually insert or modify your code or just let Dreamweaver do its magic for you in the Design View. Before publishing, test your website locally using Dreamweaver's live preview. This allows you to see changes in real time and ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, use Dreamweaver's built-in FTP client to upload your site to your web hosting server. Enter your FTP credentials to connect and transfer the files, allowing the world to view your website.